Welcome back to Motorize. Today we are going to take a closer look at the 2026 Grand Highlander by Toyota, one of the greatest family SUVs. It is big and powerful and even smarter than ever, which provides strength, comfort and space in a single car. We shall talk about its engine, inside features, outside design, price and its release date. So let's move on. Before starting the video, subscribe to the channel because your one subscribe helps us to grow. Let's start the video. On the exterior, there is the 2026 Grand Highlander that attracts attention. It is larger and broader than the typical Highlander, hence creating an impression on the road. In the front is bold and trapezoidal shaped grille of Toyota, cylinder LED headlights and sharp lines on the body, demonstrating power and fashion. It has sleek LED rear lights, hands-free power lift gate and cool 20-inch alloy wheels, which complete its luxury appearance. The design states, "I am good looking yet I do it." The 2026 Grand Highlander continues to do well. It has 3 engine options, a 2.4-liter turbocharged engine, a 2.5-liter hybrid and the best hybrid max, which provides up to 362 horsepower and 400 lb-ft of torque. It is capable of all-wheel drive, thus accelerating fast yet stable even at full passengers and luggage capacity. It also has a capacity of towing up to 5,000 pounds and hence very useful in family trips. Pull the doors and the Grand Highlander is true to its name. It has a seating capacity of 8 people and the third row is sufficiently spacious to accommodate adults. Within it, there is the use of high quality materials, soft touch panels and the attention of Toyota. It has a media touchscreen of 12.3 inches at the center and a fully digital driver display. It has wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, 3-zone climate control, heated and ventilated seats, and a panoramic sunroof as optional features. An extra that comes with higher trim levels, including JBL Premium sound system, heads-up display, and hands-free parking assistance. The standard is Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, which offers an adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, etc. Now let's talk numbers. Toyota Grand Highlander 2026 will have an initial price of approximately $44,000 in their base models. The Hybrid Max Platinum High Performance would be priced at about $55,000 to $57,000. Toyota intends to launch the new Grand Highlander between the middle of 2026 and the end of 2026. Early spring is likely to be the beginning of the pre-orders. That would be the 2026 Toyota Grand Highlander. It is a powerful, cool and extremely comfortable SUV designed to bypass large families and massive adventures. What do you think? Is this the new benchmark of 3-row hybrids? Tell us in the comments below. Subscribe, like and the enable notification here on Motorize in case you want to see more car reviews and updates. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and drive smart.